Jai Jagat everyone. Jai Jagat.
Jai Jagat ma'am.
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 Jai Jagat
Yes,
ma'am.
Babu sir also.
Jai Jagat.
Jai Jagat sir. Jai Jagat. Jai
Jagat
Jagat.
ma'am.
Good afternoon ma'am.
Let me start with the program. Ceremony today. May we start from?
Jai Jagat ma'am.
Jai Jagat ma'am.
Yes, please start.
Jai Jagat Didi.
Jai Jagat sir. Jai
Jai
Jagat.
Jagat sir. Jai Jagat sir. Jai Jagat.
Jai Jagat
Jai Jagat sir.
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 Jai Jagat ma'am.
Jai Jagat sir.
Jai Jagat. Jai Jagat.
Jai Jagat sir.
Jai Jagat sir. Jai Jagat.
Jai Jagat ma'am.
Jai Jagat sir. Jai Jagat ma'am.
Jai Jagat
Jai
sir.
Jagat sir. Jai Jagat.
Yes, may we start now? May we start now, Madan sir?
Yeah,
May we
sure,
start now?
sure, ma'am. We'll request one and all to please mute their mics in order to avoid the commotion in between. Thank you. Jai Jagat and very good afternoon to one and all. It's a great time and it's a great witness under the earth, under the heaven and on the earth. City Montessori School, Kanpur Road campus is celebrating the cause of education. And today is the day when we have the privilege to honor mothers of the meritorious students and the meritorious students for their absolute achievements which they have done in the previous session 2019-20. And before we begin, by the IT department, we have a film which is an absolute tribute to mothers. And I want all of you to pay keen attention to the film. It's dedicated to all the mothers who are the leader of leaders, because it is said, hands that rock the cradle rule the world. And mothers are the first teachers. They are the first educators. So with all humble bowing down to mothers, we pay our great tribute to mothers through a small film by our IT department.
जब परमपिता परमात्मा ने जीवन की कल्पना की, पहले सृष्टि की रचना की। सृष्टि में पृथ्वी की, पृथ्वी में पानी की, पानी में पहला जीवन फूंका। इसके पश्चात जीवन धरती पर पहुंचा। धरती यानी जननी, जननी यानी माँ। माँ इंसान की प्रथम गुरु होती है। दुनिया को सुचारू रूप से चलाने के लिए ईश्वर धरती पर स्वयं अवतरित हुए या महापुरुषों को भेजा। चाहे अवतार हो या महापुरुष, दोनों के जीवन में माताओं की भूमिका अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण रही है।
दुनिया तेरे मंच पर आने भेजे सब किरदार, माँ से ही तो जन्मे हैं पीर पैगंबर सब अवतार।
कौशल्या पुत्र मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री राम, यशोदा के निस्वार्थ प्यार तले पले श्री कृष्ण, तीव्र बुद्धि एवं तीरंदाजी में पारंगत कुंती पुत्र अर्जुन, महाप्रजापति गौतमी के नाम से जाने जाते हैं बौद्ध धर्म के रचयिता गौतम बुद्ध, पवित्र मदर मैरी के पुत्र ईसा मसीह, त्याग एवं प्रेम की मूर्ति माता तृप्ता ने पुत्र गुरु नानक जी को बचपन से ही सच्चा सौदा की नसीहत दी। आमीना बिनते वहब ने पति की मृत्यु के पश्चात जन्मे अपने बेटे मोहम्मद साहब को इस तरह पाला कि उन्होंने सारी दुनिया को मोहब्बत और भाईचारे का संदेश दिया और इस्लाम धर्म की स्थापना की। इतिहास गवाह है कि दुनिया में जितनी भी तब्दीलियां आई हैं, उनको लाने वाले महापुरुषों की माताओं का योगदान अप्रतिम रहा है।
धरती पर फिर धर्म न टिकता, जो माँ देती कुसंस्कार। दुनिया तेरे मंच पर माँ ने भेजे सब किरदार।
सम्राट अशोक की मां सुभद्रांगी ने अपने पुत्र को शोक रहित रहने की कल्पना की और उसका नामकरण किया अशोक। मां ने अशोक को सूर्य जैसा तेजस्वी और चंद्रमा जैसा लोगों को शीतलता प्रदान करने वाला सम्राट बनने की कल्पना की। उन्होंने अशोक के व्यक्तित्व को ऐसा गढ़ा कि वह पराक्रमी बने और अपने राज्य की सीमाओं को दूर दूर तक विस्तार दिया। बौद्ध धर्म का प्रचार प्रसार कर वह अशोक महान कहलाए। वीर शिवाजी के जीवन में उनकी मां जीजाबाई की भूमिका को कौन नहीं जानता। वीर माता जीजाबाई ने शिवाजी को सिर्फ मां ही नहीं अपितु मित्र, मार्गदर्शक और गुरु के रूप में भी ऊर्जा दी। महान माता से मिले संस्कारों से शिवाजी ने कई महान कार्य किए और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज कहलाए। अमेरिका की खोज करने वाले महान नाविक कोलंबस की माता सुज़ैना फ्रॉन्टेरा एक दृढ़ निश्चय वाली महिला थीं, जिन्होंने कोलंबस में कड़ी मेहनत व जिज्ञासा की भावना को प्रोत्साहित किया, जिसका नतीजा यह रहा कि कोलंबस 10 वर्ष की उम्र से समुद्री यात्राएं करने लगे और आगे चलकर उन्होंने अमेरिकी महाद्वीप की खोज की। अमेरिका की बात करें तो पहले अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन की मां मैरी बेल वॉशिंगटन की आती है। वह एक धार्मिक परंतु अति मेहनती महिला थीं, जिन्होंने अपने पति की मृत्यु के उपरांत स्वतंत्र रूप से बच्चों को पाला। जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन एक सफल और कुशल प्रशासक बने, जिन्होंने अमेरिका को अंग्रेजों से आजादी दिलाई। वह अपनी कामयाबी का पूरा श्रेय अपनी मां को देते थे। इब्राहिम लिंकन ने मां नैन्सी हैंक्स से ईमानदारी और करुणा की शिक्षा दोनों पाई। मां की प्रेरणा से अब्राहम लिंकन ने शिक्षा का महत्व सीखा और एक महान समाज सुधारक हुए। उन्होंने क्रांतिकारी कार्य दास्ता उन्मूलन, स्लेवरी अबॉलिशन को अंजाम दिया। लिंकन ने स्वीकार किया, जो कुछ भी मैं हूं या होने की उम्मीद करता हूं, इसका श्रेय मेरी देवी जैसी मां को जाता है। राष्ट्रपति फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट का जन्म एक अत्यंत अमीर नौकर चाकर से भरे परिवार में हुआ था, परंतु उनकी मां सैरा डेलानो ने उन्हें नौकरों के भरोसे कभी नहीं छोड़ा। वह खुद उनकी मां, आया और यहाँ तक कि गुरु भी थीं। रीडिंग एवं भूगोल वे खुद पढ़ाती थीं। जब मैसाचुसेट्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में उच्च शिक्षा ग्रहण हेतु वे गए तो उनकी मां बॉस्टन में रहने आ गईं। उन्होंने अपनी मां की हमेशा बहुत इज्जत की। उनकी मां की मृत्यु के कुछ ही मिनटों में हाइड पार्क, जहां रूजवेल्ट का जन्म हुआ था, वहां का एक पुराना वट का वृक्ष टूटकर गिर गया था। अमेरिका के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति बराक ओबामा अपनी मां एन डनहम को अत्यधिक सम्मान देते हैं। ओबामा गर्वपूर्वक स्वीकार करते हैं कि वह अपनी मां से बहुत प्रभावित हैं। बाराक की किशोरावस्था से ही एन कहती थीं कि बाराक गांधी और आइंस्टाइन दोनों का मिला जुला रूप है। उन्होंने बराक ओबामा के दोस्तों को एक बार दृढ़ विश्वास के साथ बताया कि उनके बेटे में अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति बनने की योग्यता है। अमेरिका की गांधी कहे जाने वाले मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर एक सुविख्यात सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता थे। उन्होंने अमेरिका में नीग्रो समुदाय के भेदभाव के खिलाफ जन आंदोलन चलाया। उनकी मां अल्बर्टा विलियम्स किंग ने उन्हें स्वाभिमान तथा मानवाधिकारों की रक्षा करने और भेदभाव का विरोध करने की प्रेरणा दी। दक्षिण अफ्रीका के प्रथम अश्वेत राष्ट्रपति नेल्सन मंडेला ने रंग भेद नीति के खिलाफ बिगुल फूंका। उन्होंने 27 वर्षों तक जेल में रहकर कठोर परिश्रम किया और यातनाएं सही, लेकिन भेदभाव और अन्याय के खिलाफ नेल्सन मंडेला ने संघर्ष जारी रखा। उनके जुझारूपन और दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति की प्रेरणा थी उनकी माँ नेक्यूफी नोस्केनी। नेल्सन मंडेला अपनी माँ को प्रथम गुरु के अलावा प्रथम मित्र भी कहते थे। भारत को अहिंसा के पथ पर चलकर स्वतंत्रता दिलाने वाले महात्मा गांधी की माँ पुतलीबाई अत्यंत धार्मिक महिला थीं। वह अपने बच्चों के साथ मंदिर जाती थीं, प्रार्थना के बिना भोजन नहीं करती थीं। वह एक साधारण महिला थीं, किंतु वैष्णव जीवन शैली में अटूट विश्वास रखती थीं। गांधी जी से उन्होंने जीवन पर्यंत शाकाहारी रहने का संकल्प कराया था, और शायद यही एक वजह भी रही होगी कि गांधी सदैव अहिंसा के मार्ग पर चले। भारत रत्न बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर की माता भीमाबाई सकपाल ने अपने पुत्र की प्रतिभा और योग्यता को उनके बचपन में ही समझ लिया था। अपनी माता के सुयोग्य निर्देशन में बाबा साहेब ने तमाम चुनौतियों का कुशलतापूर्वक सामना किया। भारतीय संविधान के निर्माण में उनकी भूमिका अतुलनीय रही। कठिनाइयों के दौर में बाबा साहब अपनी माँ से जरूरी सलाह लिया करते थे। विभिन्नता और संसाधनों के अभाव का मतलब यह तो नहीं कि मेहनत न की जाए और केवल भाग्य के भरोसे बैठ जाया जाए। लगन, श्रम और बुद्धिमत्तापूर्ण योजना, यह तीनों सफलता के द्वार खोल देते हैं। जाने माने वैज्ञानिक और मिसाइल मैन कहे जाने वाले पूर्व राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम ने यह पाठ अपनी माँ आशियम्मा जैनुलब्दीन से सीखा था। वह एक अत्यधिक धार्मिक महिला थीं, जो अपनी 5 समय की नमाज में अपने परिवार सहित अपने समाज में सुख की कामना हमेशा करती थीं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपनी मां हीराबेन मोदी से आगाध श्रद्धा रखते हैं। श्री मोदी याद करते हैं कि जब वे पहली बार गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री बने थे तो उनकी मां ने उन्हें यही नसीहत दी, बेटा कुछ भी बन जा, लेकिन रिश्वत कभी मत लेना। सोचने लायक बात यह है कि जिस महिला ने अपनी जिंदगी गरीबी में गुजार दी और ज्यादातर अभावों से सामना रहा, वह माँ किसी भी सुख के लिए रिश्वतखोरी को गुनाह समझती है और ईमानदारी तथा परिश्रम की सीख देती है। श्री मोदी अपनी माँ से अत्यधिक प्रभावित हैं और जब भी सुअवसर मिलता है वे माँ का आशीर्वाद लेने पहुंच जाते हैं। आध्यात्म के क्षेत्र में स्वामी विवेकानंद अपने शैशव काल से ही मेधावी और प्रखर बुद्धि के स्वामी थे। उनकी माँ भुवनेश्वरी देवी ने उन्हें अध्यात्म और प्रार्थना के संस्कार दिए। बचपन में नरेंद्र नाम से पुकारे जाने वाले स्वामी विवेकानंद ने शिकागो के ऐतिहासिक धर्म सम्मेलन में भारतीय दर्शन और संस्कृति का परचम लहराया। माता भुवनेश्वरी देवी तथा आध्यात्मिक गुरु रामकृष्ण परमहंस की स्वामी विवेकानंद के व्यक्तित्व पर गहरा प्रभाव था। तिब्बती आध्यात्मिक गुरु 14वें दलाई लामा की मां डेकी त्सेरिंग ने अपने सबसे छोटे बेटे तेंजिंग ग्यात्सो यानी कि दलाई लामा में करुणा की भावना को उजागर किया। दलाई लामा का मानना है कि करुणा एक ऐसा मार्मिक एहसास है जो दिलों में शांति लाता है। जब हृदयों में शांति रहेगी तो दुनिया में शांति होगी।
माँ से ही तो जन्मे हैं ज्ञानी विज्ञानी आविष्कारी, माँ से ही पाया धर्म ज्ञान और प्यार।
आज हम भौतिक दुनिया को समझ पा रहे हैं विज्ञान और तकनीकी के माध्यम से। इस क्षेत्र के महान वैज्ञानिक और आविष्कारकों की बात करें तो नैन्सी एडिसन ने तो अपने बेटे थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन की जिंदगी ही बदल कर रख दी। स्कूल में थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन के शिक्षकों ने उन्हें फिसड्डी और मूर्खतापूर्ण सवाल करने वाला बच्चा बताया। बस इसके बाद उनकी शिक्षा की जिम्मेदारी माँ ने घर में ही संभाल ली। आगे चलकर बेटे ने फोनोग्राफ और बिजली का बल्ब बनाकर दुनिया में माँ और स्वयं अपना नाम रोशन किया। पॉलिन आइंस्टाइन नी कोच महान फिजिसिस्ट एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन की माँ थी। वह बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ी लिखी व शांत स्वभाव की महिला थीं, जिनका कला की तरफ रुझान था और पियानो में दक्षता हासिल थी। घर के सारे काम खत्म करने के बाद वे अक्सर पियानो बजाया करती थीं। आइंस्टाइन अपनी माँ को सदा सुना करते थे। माँ ने उनके अंदर कला की प्रतिभा को देखा, उनको वायलिन बजाने की तरफ प्रेरित किया। विज्ञान, आध्यात्मिकता व कला, इन तीनों की प्रेरणा मूर्ति उनकी माँ ने आइंस्टाइन में भी इन्हीं गुणों को विकसित किया। आइंस्टाइन ने विज्ञान की अपनी पहली थियोरी के छपने की खबर अपनी माँ को सुनाई, क्योंकि वह उनके विज्ञान को समझती थी। ग्रैहम बेल, जिनका एक क्रांतिकारी आविष्कार टेलीफोन है जो सुनने की पद्धति पर आधारित है, उनके इस आविष्कार को उनकी माँ एलाइजा ग्रेस सिमंस कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाई। कारण था उनकी माँ की धीरे धीरे खोती सुनने की क्षमता। बेल एक संवेदनशील बालक थे। उनकी माँ एलाइजा ने उनको हाई स्कूल तक घर ही में शिक्षा दी, और शिक्षा भी ऐसी जिसने बेल की जिज्ञासा को सजग रखा। उनकी माँ ने उनकी रुचियों को खूब जाना और बेल को कला, कविता और गायन की तरफ खूब प्रोत्साहित भी किया। उनकी माँ की निरंतर सुनने की ताकत खोना बेल को विचलित करता था, और यही वजह है कि बेल में अकूस्टिक्स पर गहन अध्ययन किया। माँ की तवज्जो, प्यार और विश्वास का नतीजा क्या खूब रंग लाया। यूं तो मैरी क्यूरी नोबेल पुरस्कार पाने वाली प्रथम महिला के रूप में सर्वाधिक जाना जाती है, किंतु वे एक प्रखर वैज्ञानिक के साथ साथ एक कुशल माँ भी थीं। अपने पति की एक दुर्घटना में मृत्यु के बाद उन्होंने अकेले ही दोनों छोटी पुत्रियों का पालन पोषण किया। आगे चलकर उनकी पुत्री जूलियट क्यूरी ने भी नोबेल पुरस्कार प्राप्त किया। बिल गेट्स की गणना दुनिया के सर्वाधिक धनवान लोगों में की जाती है। उनकी माँ मैरी मैक्सवेल गेट्स उनकी कंपनी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में शामिल थीं। माँ की प्रेरणा बिल गेट्स ने मानव कल्याण और गरीबी उन्मूलन के अनेक कार्यक्रम चलाए। जीवन के प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में खेल, संगीत, कला, थिएटर, गेम्स में उत्कृष्ट लोगों के पीछे उनकी माताओं का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। माँ वही पहली गुरु है जिसके त्याग से बच्चे का विकास होता है। और 20वीं सदी की बात करें तो मदर टेरेसा ममता, सेवा और सहायता की साक्षात प्रतिमूर्ति थीं। उनको याद करते ही हमारा मन श्रद्धान्वित हो जाता है। मात्र 8 वर्ष की आयु में उनके सिर से पिता का साया उठ गया था। उनकी माता ड्रेनाफाइल बोजाक्सियू, जो अत्यधिक धार्मिक महिला थीं, उन्होंने न केवल उनका लालन पालन किया, उन्हें परोपकार के संस्कार भी दिए। धर्म सिखाता है प्यार, और माँ का प्यार अथाह सागर है। शिशु की भौतिक, मानविक और आध्यात्मिक इन तीनों गुणों के बराबर विकास से ही बच्चे महान बनते हैं। हर बालक विशेष होता है तथा हर माँ के लिए उसकी संतान आँख का तारा होती है। वह अपना सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर एक अच्छा इंसान बनाने में जुट जाती है।
जो हमारे बच्चे थे तो एक ये जो होता है तेरा डब्बे वाला जो रिक्शा होता है, तो उसमें हमारे 3-4 बच्चे, गांधी जी, मैं और मेरी आया, है ना, इतने लोग सब जहाँ भी जाते थे साथ जाते थे। तो जहाँ भी काम हो रहा होता बच्चों को वहाँ सुला देते थे। उस वक्त जमीन में गद्दा बिछाया, सुला दिया। उस जमाने में हमारे पास वो नहीं थी, जो होती प्रेम वगैरह, क्योंकि पैसे नहीं थे ना, ध्यान में था काम चल रहा है किसी तरह के। तो हुआ क्या, वो बच्चे हमारे साथ ही साथ चलते रहे, जहाँ हम गए बच्चे गए, जहाँ हम गए बच्चे गए। तो ये लोग भी कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए कि जो है हमें निगलेक्टेड नहीं हुए, बल्कि कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए और स्वावलंबी हो गए ये बच्चे हमारे।
बालक की पहली गुरु माँ को सिटी मॉन्टेसोरी स्कूल ने हमेशा सम्मानित किया है। और चलते चलते एक और विचार, 21वीं सदी तकनीक का दौर है। किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है, कंप्यूटर स्मार्ट क्यों होते हैं? जवाब, क्योंकि अपने मदरबोर्ड की सुनते हैं।
मानवता की राह में जिनका अनुगामी है ये संसार, दुनिया तेरे मंच पर माँ ने भेजे सब किरदार, माँ ने भेजे सब किरदार।
So that was a wonderful presentation, and we titled it Mother Excellencia, presented by our music department and the IT wing of CMS Kanpur Road campus, right from Thomas Alva Edison to Albert Einstein, and right from Swami Vivekananda to Honorable Dalai Lama ji, from Dr. Abdul Kalam to Shri Narendra Modi ji. All the world leadership, they acquired their inner trait, they acquired all their abilities, self-esteem and self-discipline and all humility from the great, great leaders, that is their own mothers. That's why we are so much indebted to all our mothers present today with us. And I must be welcoming right now our most respected Badi Didi ji, the founder director, Dr. Bharti Gandhi is with us. Ma'am, we very profusely thank you for your benign presence with us this afternoon. Jai Jagat, ma'am. And right now, I would like to invite Suhani Sehgal to introduce before you very nostalgic national song, followed by a school prayer, Vande Mataram, followed by school prayer. Over to Suhani Sehgal.
Thank you, sir. As it is rightly said, a day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. It is indeed true. God is conceived as the supreme being, the creator, and the principal object of faith. Whatever God does, be it good or be it bad in our eyes, it has God's best intentions. God sees us, God loves us, and God wants us. The greater our knowledge of the goodness and grace of God in our lives, the more likely we are to praise Him in the song. So here we are with the Vande Mataram song, followed by the school prayer.
sing and do thy will. There is none other God but Thee, the help in peril, the self-subsisting.
Thank you, children. And that was the beautiful rendition of school prayer and also the national song Vande Mataram. And both the videos were recorded by our IT department and the music department, and children really worked hard for it. Congratulations to both the departments for this immaculate job. Leadership has charisma, and being charismatic means to balance opposite qualities into one personality with whom almost everyone can identify. And leadership has these qualities like genuinely upbeat with positivity, extremely kind, compassionate, warm, gentle yet strong, delightful to be around with everyone, compassionate and warm, gentle yet strong, friendly yet not aggressive, unfailingly encouraging and hope-inducing, self-assured yet amazingly humble. And these are the traits summed up in one personality, most adorable, respectable, and lovable principal of CMS Kanpur Road campus. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this privilege to invite her for her welcome address, Dr. Mrs. Vinita Kamran.
Thank you so much, Madar. Most Honorable Founder Manager, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi sir. Most Honorable Founder Director, Dr. Mrs. Bharti Gandhi ma'am. All the dear parents, respected teachers, and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to the honoring ceremony of the mothers today. It is indeed a great day. But before that, children, I want to tell all the dear parents and the children about the wonderful and fabulous board results of City Montessori School, Kanpur Road campus. Of course, the teachers know about this result, but I want to apprise the parents. I want to apprise the students, because tomorrow you are in 10s and 12s. They are the passed out batches. Now you have come to 10s and 12s, and it is very important for you to know your legacy. So out of 988 students, around 588 students have got more than 90% marks. So children, 58% of the total number of students, they have got more than 90% marks. So this is a great achievement indeed, I must tell you. This is a great achievement, getting so many students more than 90% marks. So it is almost 60% of the students have got more than 90% marks. All students have got first divisions. Also, let me tell you, Shrestha from the humanities stream, first time from the art stream, a child has got 99.50% marks in ISC. This, though council has not released the merit list this time, but we believe in such a way that she might be number 2 in all over India. Number 2 with 99.50% marks. She must be having the standing of 99.50. She must be having the standing of second in India. So this is indeed a great achievement. I give the credit to most respected teachers, to my dear students, and of course to you dear parents. It is indeed very wonderful. It is indeed a great and a stupendous and a fabulous achievement. Heartiest congratulations to you all. And then children, while I'm seeing your photographs here, I want to tell you, dear children, that we are really missing you in the school now. We are really missing you. School is incomplete without you. School has no meaning without you. Your lovely faces, your wonderful smiling faces used to rejuvenate us. We used to feel so good. We used to feel so happy. So we, all of us, are really, really missing you, dear children. I know the teachers are working very hard. Online teaching is going on in 100% full swing. Teachers are working extra hard. They have to prepare a lot for that. But school is just lonely without you. Then side by side, we also thought that it was Gandhi sir, most respected Gandhi sir. He's a great visionary. He's a great far-sighted person. He suggested that since we could not have the divine education conferences, why not honor our mothers? Because the mothers have worked extremely hard with the children. Mothers have worked really hard with the children. And class 9s and 11s children who have taken positions, the meritorious students, why shouldn't we honor them? Why shouldn't we motivate their mothers? So that was his great idea, which we carried forward. And mothers play a wonderful role, a great role, a formidable role in the lives of the children. Actually, they shape the lives of the students. But respected director always says that if you educate a woman, you have educated the whole society. You have educated the home, all the home. Always our respected director, she tells us that we should believe in the empowerment of the women. Always Badi Didi, we call her Badi Didi fondly. She always tells us that we should believe in the empowerment of the women. And let me tell you, dear students, since God could not be everywhere, so that's why God created mothers. So it is very important that we honor our most wonderful and self-sacrificing and hard-working mothers today. So today is the day when we are going to honor them, children. And then thirdly, I also want to tell you, children, that though we know the times are not good, times are not congenial to us, you are staying at home, you are safe at home, but side by side, you must maintain your positivity also. Always my favorite principles, my favorite dialogue is, longitude and latitude doesn't matter. It is the attitude that matters, positive attitude that matters. Attitude decides the altitude of your success. So attitude at home will decide the altitude of your success now. And you all know that with working hard, you can do wonders. And in a way, we have learned a lot from this COVID crisis. You know, this COVID crisis has done something good also, because the boundaries between schools and homes have finished now. There are no boundaries between schools and homes now. The classrooms have reached to the schools. Anytime we can talk to your parents. Anytime we can meet your parents through that. So there are boundaries have finished now. With this COVID crisis, our school has become closer to your families. Now I feel we are one. We are facing this challenge together. So this is a big thing. The walls of the classrooms have been broken now. There are no walls in the classroom. We all are one. We are together. The schools has entered your homes. So this is something great. We have come very close to each other. Otherwise, I could never have imagined that I will be talking to you through the device and I can reach at this moment so many parents at one point of time. So this is something really wonderful. And let me tell you, your teachers are working very hard with you. Teachers are working extremely hard with you. For a lesson to be delivered on this device, on computers, online, if they have to deliver online a lesson for 4 hours, let me tell you, dear parents, they have to prepare at home at least for 10 hours. Because they want to teach the students with the latest strategies. They don't want that they switch on and then they see the children and give some assignment and go. No, this is not which we are doing. This is not we want to do. We want to do latest, everything latest. Whatever is being delivered to our children should be the best. And for this, our CEO, our Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Geeta Gandhi Kingdon, who holds a chair in Oxford University, London, she got all her teachers, all the teachers trained from Heritage Group, which is the best group in online education. So we have got all our teachers trained also now. All our teachers are using different apps, different devices. They're downloading things from net. So many things. They are using various devices they are using, various apps they are using, and they want to give you the best. So that is it. And we are working like a family. We are together. We are not going to be scared. We are always number one. City Montessori School has always remained number one. Always number one in the world. That's why it is in the Guinness Book of World Record. That is why the parents have so much of faith in us. And I'm very grateful to the parents for having so much of faith in me, in my teachers, and my students are very good. I have got the best set of students, I always say. The best set, the most disciplined, the most obedient, the most wonderful students are in City Montessori School, Kanpur campus. And I bow down before my teachers who have done this great achievement. This is a great achievement which they have achieved in this most wonderful results. And I'm very grateful to my founder manager, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, and to my founder director, Dr. Mrs. Bharti Gandhi, because they are our lighthouses. They are the ones who are showing us the way during this time of crisis also. And they have been showing the way from 5 students City Montessori School started. And now there are 58,500 students in CMS. And the leadership of CMS is the global education of CMS, the world peace philosophy of CMS is being given so much of importance in the whole scenario of the world. And you are seeing that how much the global peace, the unity, the need to maintain more and more peace is needed at this time of crisis also. So thank you so much for joining in large numbers. Thank you so much, dear students, dear teachers, and dear parents. I'm indeed very, very grateful to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your golden words. And you very aptly pointed out, yes, schooling is going beyond the horizon. Walls are broken, barriers are broken, and schooling is now 24/7. Children are accessible to us at any moment of time, and so are we. Dear parents, right now is the time for the most sagacious and most auspicious ceremony of the program, which we always take as an integral part of each and every meeting and program in CMS, that is lighting of the lamp of learning.
May this light spread far.
And it's indeed true. As I said, this is the most auspicious occasion. Why to curse darkness? Let's light the lamp of learning. You can see our proud principal along with mothers and most respected Gandhi sir, lighting the lamp of learning. It's a virtual lighting lamp of learning, but the message remains the same.
Spread afar all over the world for peace and harmony. May the Lord,
with all humility, with all intact self-esteem, with all self-discipline, it's education reaching beyond the boundaries. And that's what it signifies. Thank you, IT department and the music department, for leading us into the virtual lighting of the lamp ceremony. This was great indeed. You have really set the impetus for the day. And ladies and gentlemen, coming up a very nostalgic and song which is going to really plunge into nostalgia. And this is what we often hear in all the campuses across the city, in all branches of CMS. Hum Gaurav hai CMS ke, and coming up is the virtual procession of meritorious students. Over to IT department. We are the pride of CMS, and we shall always keep its banner flying high. All round of the year, ladies and gentlemen, most promising students of the year, Yashwardhan Krishna Mishra, Most Improvement, Yashwardhan and Poonam Kumari.
CMS के हम इसकी शान बढ़ाएंगे, कदम हमारे रुके कभी ना, तूफानों से डरे कभी ना, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। हम गौरव है CMS के, हम इसकी शान बढ़ाएंगे, कदम हमारे रुके कभी ना, तूफानों से डरे कभी ना, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। हम गौरव हैं CMS के।
A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. What you can dream, you can achieve. Children excelling in various co-curricular, sports, dancing,
चाहे लाख आंधियां आए, चाहे मेघ तिमिर के छाए, आहा आहा,
चाहे लाख आंधियां आए, चाहे मेघ तिमिर के छाए,
अपनी मंजिल पर हम बढ़ते जाएंगे, अपनी मंजिल पर हम बढ़ते जाएंगे, हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। हम गौरव है CMS के। विश्व की बंजर धरती में हम ऐसे वृक्ष लगाएंगे,
हम ऐसे वृक्ष लगाएंगे, हम ऐसे वृक्ष लगाएंगे,
नई योजना नए विचारों के हम फूल खिलाएंगे,
हाँ हम फूल खिलाएंगे, हाँ हम फूल खिलाएंगे।
विश्व की बंजर धरती में हम ऐसे वृक्ष लगाएंगे, नई योजना नए विचारों के हम फूल खिलाएंगे। जय जगत का नारा लेकर, जय जगत का नारा लेकर आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे,
आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे,
हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। हम गौरव है CMS के, हम इसकी शान बढ़ाएंगे, कदम हमारे रुके कभी ना, तूफानों से डरे कभी ना, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, हम 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 आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे।
Thank you, Music Department and the IT Wing, for putting up this wonderful virtual procession of meritorious students. And the message remains the same, invigorating us all the time. Yes, we are the pride of CMS, and we'll keep on marching ahead like ambassadors of peace. Ladies and gentlemen, now coming up before you, a PPT presentation honoring of all-rounder students of the year and most promising student of the year of the college section and the school section. Over to IT Wing. It's honoring of all-rounder student of the year and the most promising student of the year from the college section as well as school section. As you can see, all-rounder of the year, Shreyasi Gupta. Tracy Gupta has distinguished herself not only in academics but also in various co-curricular activities. She was declared the best speaker for the motion in the debate competition organized during 22nd ICSQC 2019. She secured the first position and was declared the best speaker in ASISC zonal debate competition organized by the council, and also participated in the Frank Anthony Memorial All India Inter-School Debate Competition held at St. Fidelis College, Lucknow. She is proficient in academics. She reached the second level of Tata Intelligence competition apart from scoring 88.5% marks in the annual examination. She is dedicated participant of Model United Nations and Junior Youth Empowerment Animator and Nukkad Natak performer as well. She has also participated in the 4th International Environment Olympiad. She is an avid swimmer and has won the 2nd and the 3rd prizes in 50-meter freestyle, 25-meter backstroke and 50-meter breaststroke in inter-house swimming competition. We wish her all success for her future endeavors. Tracy, congratulations to you once again and also to your proud parents. We wish you all the best. And the all-rounder of the year from the college section is Manisha Singh. And she is a true all-rounder who has proven herself in the fields of academics and co-curricular activities. Besides successfully completing prestigious I-Policy course of young leaders, she participated enthusiastically in Model United Nations 2019. She exhibited her talent in Confluence 2019. She displayed her oratory skill during ASISC Zonal Declamation Competition 2019 and 22nd ICSQC 2019. She was one of the very young jury members of ICFF 2019. Also awarded an astronaut training experience certificate by Kennedy Space Center, NASA. She has also been a well-disciplined child, ever willing to accept and perform the task entrusted to her, especially as the head girl of the institution. We wish you all the very good success, and also for your future endeavors, we give you double congratulations and best wishes. And once again, we would like to give huge congratulations to your proud parents. Keep it up, Manisha Singh. Coming up, the student of the year, Manpreet Singh Gandhi from class 9th I. Manpreet has distinguished himself not only in academics but also in co-curricular activities. He participated in inter-branch mathematics Olympiad and brought laurels to the school by winning the 2nd position. Also participated in inter-branch chemistry and astronomy Olympiads and did very well for himself. He secured the 1st position among all the sections of class 9 with an impressive 93.6% of marks. He is an avid learner and shows great interest in co-curriculars as well. We wish him success for all his future endeavors, and huge congratulations to Manpreet once again and to your parents also. Keep it up, Manpreet. Coming up is the student of the year for college section, Bhumi Maurya. Bhumi Maurya is meritorious and diligent student and has obtained an impressive aggregate percentage of 90.21 in her class 11 annual examination with highest marks in biology, biotech and PEd, physical education. She has maintained a good attendance record. She epitomizes sincerity, morality, obedience, humility, grace, determination, simplicity and dignity. We wish her success in all her future endeavors and also congratulate her proud parents. Keep up the good job, Bhumi Maurya. Now, the most promising student of the year 2019-20 from the school section is Yashwardhan Singh. With his persistent and unflinching efforts, Yashwardhan has bagged the 2nd prize in case study presentation at the 22nd ICSQC 2019 and the ASISC Zonal Declamation organized by the Council. Yashwardhan is proficient in creative writing and was chosen to be the literary coordinator during the session. He participated in various Olympiads during the session. He also won the 1st prize in the Inter-House Model United Nations competition and the 3rd position in the Inter-House debate. Yashwardhan is well-behaved, diligent and proficient in studies. He has upheld the ideals and tradition of this institution. We wish him success and all good luck for your future endeavors, and huge congratulations to your parents also. Yashwardhan, Keep up the good work. We have one more slide to go. IT department, if you see, most promising student of the year from the college section, Anand Krishna Mishra. Anand Krishna Mishra is very disciplined student, excelling in both academics and co-curricular activities. He is proud recipient of the prestigious UP Achievement Award, Youth Icon Award 2020, Young Change Maker Award, UP Icon Award. Yes, there comes the slide on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Anand Krishna Mishra along with his proud mother. And he has been awarded UP Icon Award and the Sanjokta Mahajan Memorial Award for his outstanding contribution as a social worker. He participated successfully in SOF International English Olympiad and was awarded a gold medal. He won the first prize in Brenathon in Confluence 2019. He's a trustworthy student who epitomizes commitment and emotional strength. The school wishes him success in all his future endeavors. Keep up the good work, Anand Krishna, and huge congratulations to your proud parents. Thank you, IT department, for the wonderful slide presentation, the PowerPoint presentation. And ladies and gentlemen, coming up is the views and sharing the experiences by students and their proud mothers. And it's a live interaction. So I want you to give your kind attention to listen each and every word, which is a live witness, a testimonial, a credit to the education imparted by CMS Kanpur Road campus. I would like to invite, first of all-rounder of the year from the college section, Manisha Singh. And Manisha is right here with us, and she's going to share with us and tell us how she has been tackling the challenges of academics during lockdown and how far online class teaching system in CMS Kanpur Road campus has been beneficial to her. Over to Manisha Singh.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone present here. I'm Manisha Singh, and I was the all-rounder of the year for the session of 2019 and 20. I was, in fact, also given the wonderful opportunity of being the head girl of the senior section in the very same year. I agree that the position did bring an additional set of responsibilities for me to fulfill. But more importantly, it taught me the essentiality of inculcating time management in my life, which in turn helped me manage both my co-curriculars and my academics better. Now, my journey of being an all-rounder did have its fair share of ups and downs. But there's this quote of Shakespeare, which I lived by throughout the year. It goes, "Sweet are the uses of adversity." So this is my advice to all the students out there. In the pursuit of your goals, do not compromise with your interest. And I agree with the fact that it might get too tedious, if not overwhelming at times. But it is essentially in those moments that you must remember the fact that every cloud does have its silver lining. So never forget the progress you have made so far or lose the sight of your goals. Because in the end, the fact that matters the most still remains. That it is not important that you achieve anything. What's more important is knowing that when an opportunity presented itself to you, you were able to seize it and give it your best shot. In conclusion, I would like to thank my teachers and my family for their undeterred support towards me, because I wouldn't have been here without them. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha, for all your wonderful words. You said opportunity need not to be waited for, but it has to be grabbed, right? And that was so apt message with all integrity that you spoke. Congratulations, Manisha. And right now we have the proud mother of Manisha, and she's going to apprise us about how her child has been benefiting from the online class, online teaching of CMS Kanpur Road campus. Over to Mrs. Singh.
Thank you so much, sir. Namaskar. Jai Jagat. I'm thankful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to present my views before the galaxy of academicians, students, and parents. I have no hesitation in saying that I'm a great admirer of City Montessori School, Lucknow. My daughter joined City Montessori School when she was 3.5 years in Montessori classes, and now she will be completing 10+2 in 2021. She has been bestowed upon with one of the most prestigious honor, All-Rounder of the Year. I'm thankful to the CMS authorities for the same. I believe that Dr. Vinita Kamran ma'am, principal of CMS Kanpur Road branch, is the role model for most of the girls of CMS. The students get inspired by her word of wisdom, hard work she puts in preparing the strategies for the welfare of students, which we as a parents observe in the result of students. The value education and opportunity for extracurricular activities being given to the students bring confidence in their personality, which can be observed by the presentation of students in this program of today's event. This is all because of vision of Dr. Kamran ma'am, Principal, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road, Lucknow. Mrs. Shipra ma'am, Shipra Bajpayee ma'am, Vice Principal of City Montessori School, Kanpur Road, Lucknow, is very energetic, dynamic, and her leadership qualities have inspired students as well as parents. Besides a good administrator, she is an excellent human being too. I have always seen her actively involved in organizing the activities with a pleasant smile. She takes care of her students, staff, and teachers. I am once again thankful to CMS for overall development in personality of my daughter, Manisha, besides her academics. Thank you so much. Once again, namaskar.
Thank you, Mrs. Singh, for each and every kind word that you have just spoken. They are all revitalizing to each one of us. Thank you so much. We are also proud to have parents like you who like to reciprocate everything in thankfulness. And that's one of the moral virtues that we have been incorporating in our school assemblies. And now I would like to invite Student of the Year from the college section, Miss Bhumi Maurya from class 11th B, and she's also going to share her experiences, how she has been tackling the academic challenge during the lockdown, and how far has she been benefited with the online teaching system of CMS Kanpur Road campus. Over to Bhumi.
Thank you, sir. I am Bhumi Maurya, the Student of the Year of the ISC section. I had faced several challenges on my way here. I had taken part in various competitions, namely swimming and school functions. It was quite a challenging task to bring about that balance between academics and extra co-curricular activities. But due to the support of my teachers, I could do it. I believe that the most important aspect of academic excellence is self-study. And
Bhumi, can you open the mic, please? Can you open the camera? Bhumi, you can hear me? Please open the camera. I think your camera is not open. Yes, that's good.
I believe that the most important aspect of academic excellence is self-study, and I laid a lot of stress on it. I tried to maintain continuity in my studies, and being self-disciplined was the key. Another important aspect of my journey was the efficient time management that I used to carefully provide each subject the time needed. At last, I believe that being regular to studies and striking the required balance is my success mantra. Thank you.
Very well said, Bhumi. That was so apt and so invigorating to listen from you. And right now, I invite the proud mother of Bhumi Maurya to come and apprise her experiences. Over to Mrs. Maurya. over to Mrs. Maurya, the proud mother of Bhumi Maurya, Student of the Year. Bhumi, is your mother around?
No, sir, she is not here.
All right. So we move on to the next category. Again, a very, very promising one. And indeed, it is most promising student of the year from the college section, Master Anand Krishna Mishra. And Anand is here to apprise us about his experiences. How did he tackle the lockdown period and tackling the academic challenges, and how far has he been benefiting with the online class system of CMS Kanpur Road campus? Over to Anand Krishna Mishra.
Greetings to one and all present here. I am Anand Krishna Mishra, the most promising student of the year for the session 2019-20. To tell you about my journey, I'd like to say that I am a very dedicated student. I have taken part in won numerous Olympiads and competitions. During lockdown, I have been benefited a lot by the online teaching system. I have participated in several fellowship and internship opportunities and learned many languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and C++, but made sure not to miss out on my studies. I have a passion for social service. Thus, I have also been running a social initiative named Bal Chapal since 2012, through which we encourage and support kids who are not as privileged to go to school and follow the path of education and success. I believe it is very important to be a good human being apart from being good in academics. I'd like to thank my teachers, parents, and our most respected principal, ma'am, because this was all possible because of their inspiration, love, and support. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. And this was indeed beautiful to listen to these students, Manisha, Bhumi, and Anand Krishna. When the going gets tough, the tough must get going. And dear parents, I would like to invite you with all keen observation to come and experience a very melodious and encouraging song. And as a matter of fact, it's the video presentation which is tribute to Indian soldiers who recently laid down their life for their motherland at China border. And it has been done by two students of 11th Edge, Mrinal and Karinika. And it's again a very nostalgic song which you will experience by listening to it. Seem to be a slight technical snag over there. IT department is ready with the video presentation made by Mrinal Karnika. Yes, it's right there. All salutes to Indian soldiers.
केसरी रंग चढ़ाया है। अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू हंसती रहे मेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
So that was indeed very nostalgic and very beautiful rendition by Mrinal and Karenika, and paying tribute to Indian soldiers. And the message is quite out loud. It's quite prolific and profound, that physical death, cessation, is not the end of life. It is eternal and it goes on and on. Salute to Indian Army once again, and those who have the passion of soldiers to accomplish their task. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to honor the first position holders. We'll have the slide presentation of all the first position holders of all the sections, class 9s and 11. First position holders in ICSE 2019-20, it's Khushveer Singh, Khushveer and Lokesh Pandey from class 9th B and 9th A respectively. Congratulations to both of you and to your proud parents. Sankalp Dwivedi from 9th C and Vishnut Goyal from 9th D being the first position. Congratulations Sankalp and Vishnut. Shashank Pratap Singh 9th E, Devansh Maheshwari 9th F. Congratulations to both of you for keeping up the good work. Congratulations to your proud parents. Adya from 9th H and Manpreet Singh from 9th I. Congratulations to both of you, to your proud parents as well. Keep up the good work. Akriti Singh and Soumya Kumar Singh 9J and 9K respectively. Congratulations to both of you and to your proud parents as well. Rishabh Saxena from 9 Supreme. Congratulations, Rishabh, and also to your proud parents. From the senior wing, it's Arindam Chaturvedi from 11th A and Bhumi Maurya from 11th B. Congratulations to both of you once again and to your proud parents as well. Keep up the good work. Priyank Yadav from 11D and Divyanshi Verma from 11C. Keep up the good work. Congratulations to you and to your proud parents. Tanya Khare from 11th E and Aryan Sinha from 11th F. Congratulations, Aryan, Tanya, and to your proud parents as well. Keep up the flag up. Aditya Chaturvedi from 11th H and Shagun Trivedi from 11th P1. Keep up the good job, Aditya and Shagun. Congratulations to your parents also. Pankuri Asthana from 11P2 and Arushi Rai from 11G. Congratulations to both of you and also to your proud parents. Congratulations once again. Keep up the good work. And best improvement, children with tremendous improvement in their result as compared to their half-yearly examination is Yashwardhan Singh from 9th K. Keep it up, Yashwardhan, and congratulations to your proud parents as well. Best improvement in ISC wing is Pranav Tiwari from 11th A, showing remarkable improvement in the percentage of mark. Congratulations, Pranav, and also to your proud parents. And Tech Savvy of session 2019-20, this certificate goes to Karthik Agrawal for showing his avid acumen in the field of digital technology. Karthik Agrawal, congratulations once again, and also to your proud parents. Exemplary Achiever Award in the Junior Youth Empowerment Program goes to Anshika Priyamvada and Sanya Sharma from 11th A and 11th B respectively. Congratulations, Anshika and Sanya, for showing a great leadership trait. Wish you all the best, and also to your parents. Exemplary achievers again from Junior Youth Empowerment Program Desk, Samriddhi Sharma, 9th E, Ghana Vimal, 11B, and Mahima Rai from 11th F. Keep up the good work. Great leadership ahead await you. Congratulations once again. So that was the slide presentation of virtual honoring of the first position holder children and those who have been excelling in various categories, Junior Youth Empowerment Program and Tech Saving category. And coming up next is another song that is going to plunge you into nostalgia and immense adorable love towards your mother. And coming up is the student Anaika Pathak, and she is going to sing this song with her beautiful vocal cords, a beautiful rendition. Over to Anaika.
Thank you, sir. And I want to dedicate this song to all the mothers out there who've always been our constant source of support and motivation. कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, कि ये जो दुनिया है, ये बन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ।
तेरी अखियाँ मेरे लिए जागी है तो सारी सारी रतियाँ मेरी निंदिया पे अपनी निंदिया भी तूने वारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई, अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई। मैं मुस्काई तू मुस्काई, मैं रोई तू रोई, मेरे हंसने पे मेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ,
Thank you so much, Anayika. Thank you. A beautiful rendition indeed. And it was so poised, it was so graceful. And this was tribute to all mothers, because they are the first educator and they are the divine ones. Congratulations, Anayika, for this live performance. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the live performance by Anayika Pathak from class 9th. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is another live interaction with the students of the college section, and they are going to apprise you about their experiences. So let me first invite all-rounder of the year, Miss Shresi Gupta, and she is right here to share with us how she has been tackling her academic challenges during lockdown and how far has she been benefited with the online teaching system in CMS Kanpur Road campus. Shresi, it's all yours.
Thank you, sir. Jai Jagat to everyone. I am Shresi Gupta, the all-rounder of the ICSE section for the session 2019-20. I believe most of you must have seen the movie Three Idiots. My personal favorite quote from the movie is, "Do not run after success, run after excellence, and success will start running towards you." I never aimed to be the all-rounder of the year. I aimed to give my best at whatever I did, be it co-curricular activities or studies. It was hard at first to manage both my studies and hobbies simultaneously. But as the year progressed, it became more of a habit. My parents, friends, family, teachers, and the entire CMS faculty have been super supportive. I remember when I lost the Frank Anthony debate at the start of the session. I thought everyone would be disappointed in me. But turns out they were not. Instead, my parents and friends told me that failure gives way to success, and my teachers gave me another chance at the ASISC. The very next day in the assembly, respected ma'am principal said her line, "Latitude and longitude do not matter. It is our positive attitude that matters." So yes, it has mostly been my positive attitude that led me towards this achievement. Thank you.
Thank you, Shresi, for the wonderful words you have just spoken. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite proud mother of Shresi Gupta to apprise her experiences and how does she find her child is being benefited by the school online system. Over to Mrs. Gupta.
Jai Jagat everyone. I am Rajni Gupta, mother of Shreyasi Gupta. When Shreyasi told us that she was being given the title of All-Rounder of the Year, we were extremely happy. But today, I would like to use this opportunity to thank all the teachers of CMS. Respected class teacher Ma'am Pankhuri and all the respected teachers have supported Shreyasi throughout her journey. Extra classes, moral lessons, and whatever she required was provided to her. I am extremely indebted to Ma'am Principal and the founder managers as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mrs. Gupta, for your kind words. I'd like to invite Student of the Year from the school section, Master Manpreet Singh Gandhi. And Manpreet is right here with us, and he's going to share with us also how he has been tackling his academic challenges during the lockdown period and how far has he been benefited with the online teaching system of CMS Kanpur Road campus. Over to Manpreet.
I am Manpreet Singh Gandhi. I have been awarded with the title of Student of the Year for the session 2019-20. I am grateful to all my teachers for their continuous support and guidance. The journey was full of ups and downs. I faced many problems, including time management and transition from juniors to seniors. But due to the mentors at CMS, I could manage everything so efficiently. I believe in quality studies rather than quantity studies. I always studied on a consistent basis rather than studying just before the examination. I made a timetable and never deviated from it. I would advise all the students to make a timetable and follow it rigorously. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my friends and family for their support. Without them, it would have been impossible. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Manpreet, for emphasizing continuity is important and making a very systematic, methodical timetable and sticking to it. I would like to invite most promising student of the year, Yashwardhan Singh Bhadoria from the school section. And Yashwardhan is right here also to tell us how has he been tackling his academic challenges during lockdown and how far the school system of online teaching been beneficial to him. Yashwardhan, it is all yours.
Jai Jagat everyone. My name is Yashwardhan Singh Bhadoria and I've been chosen to be the most promising student of the year for the session 2019 to 2020. My journey has been the epitome of what is synonymous to a roller coaster ride. I faced a lot of complications and pessimistic situations during the academic year. There was a point of time in the midterm when I was completely lost. I failed to be able to manage things and it felt as if my own thoughts were haunting me. That's when I sought the school counselor. After having attended the counseling sessions for almost 2 days, I realized the importance of having a strong motive behind everything we do in life, which acts as a shield to all those negative thoughts which bombard with you. And also a truth, which I would like to share with all of you. There is a limitation to the amount of motivation we can draw from external sources. But when it comes to having a reason, that reason acts like that ocean with endless possibilities and absolutely no limitations. From then onwards, I was very much persistent with my efforts with the motive of excelling at everything I do. The saying of Martin Luther King Jr., that we must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope, gave me immense power. I began to take part in each and every event I could get my hands upon, and here I am today. I believe it is the diligent efforts of everyone who has been the part of this journey which has paid off. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Yashwardhan. Yes, you spoke about your inner hope, and that is eternal hope, that is infinite hope. It is the internal ignition. That's indeed true. Fire begets fire. And right now, it's the time for me to invite the proud mother of Yashwardhan to share her experiences. Over to Mrs. Bhadoria.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neela Bhadoria, mother of Yashwardhan Singh. I'm immensely happy for my child that he has achieved such a coveted title I would like to take this opportunity to thank the CMS fraternity for their tireless and never-ending efforts in shaping the future of the students so brilliantly. Especially, I would like to thank respected founder and manager Dr. Jagdish Gandhi sir for his vision and mission of making every child the gift of God. His vision has been carried forward by the staff at CMS by providing such a full, fine level of spiritual and material education, leading to the holistic development of a child. I would like to mention about this initiative of organizing these e-classes. This is truly a commendable approach by respected Gandhi sir. We were very tense about Yashwardhan's studies amid this lockdown, but no one could have thought that the things would be handled so smoothly. I am very grateful to everyone present here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Bhadoria, for your kind words. And that's indeed and motivation for all of us. And dear parents, right now is the time for co-curricular activities. It is said all work and no play made the Jack a dull boy, but that's not true. It made Jack an angry bird. Students have to strike balance in their academics, sporting events, and also their own expressions in bringing about creativity. So right now before you is a slide presentation of all the students. As a matter of fact, it's their honoring to show how they have been excelling in their co-curricular activities. And we will begin with the first category, that is the best sports person 2019 is Niharika from 9th F and Harshita Prajapati from 11B. Congratulations to both of you. You have always been taking things sportingly. And Amrit Singh from 9th G, Divyansh Arora from 11th A being the best sports person for the session 2019-20. Congratulations to both of you and also to your proud parents. Best swimmer 2019-20 is Yavnika Gosai from 9th K. Yavnika, keep up your good aquatic skills, and there is a whole English channel waiting for you to get victory on. Very well done, Yavnika, for the session. Keep up the good work. And also in the best swimmers category, it's Harsh Raj and Ujjwal Singh from 9D and 11th F respectively. Congratulations to both of you. And ocean is not the limit for you. And you have the will to cross over, right? Congratulations to both of you and to your proud parents. Keep up the good work. The best dancing skills, the award goes to Kalika Rajput from 9C and Chetna Tiwari from 9C, again both of them from 9C. Congratulations to both of you, Kalika and Chetna. Keep up the good work. And this is your avid acumen along with your hardcore academics. Congratulations once again. Lara Shukra from 11G has also been declared the best dancer. Keep it up, Lara. You have really showed a very vivid acumen with all proficiency in your academics. Keep up the good work. Keep going. And the best singing trait exhibited by, as you can see, Anayaka Pathak. She was just here a couple of minutes back. Anayaka Pathak was here. There seems to be a slight technical snagging here. Lara Shukla, Anayaka Pathak, and Arpit Goswami from 11P2 have been declared the best singers for the session 2019-20. And in the next category of the best artists, coming up is the next category, best artist for the year 2019-20. From the college section is Sania Sharma and Durga Mohini. Keep up your good work. Sania and Durga, this is indeed a very well calibrated task of your talent along with your main subjects in academics. Keep up the good work. From ICSE wing, it is Suhani Singh from 9K being declared the best artist. Suhani, very good. You are very avid and showing an acumen in extracurriculars. Keep up the good work along with your academics. Huge congratulations to your parents. Best office bearers, a great leadership with all trustworthiness by Yashwardhan from 9th I and Sanvika from 11th A. Yes, when the whole world is looking for leadership, we have hope. People like you will take it up to next level, to higher level. Congratulations once again. Keep up the good work. Regular shiners, children who have never ever taken a single leave throughout the session, had it been raining or scorching heat or freezing cold, but they had a grit and the gut to come to school every day. Adya from 9th H and Srishti Mishra from 9th H, both of them have really outshone everyone and have become the role model. Congratulations, Adya and Srishti. Congratulations to your parents as well. Arsh Ali from 9th I and Vaibhav Singh from class 9E have also been the regular shiners, giving 100% attendance, and it requires grit and guts. It requires internal and outer perfection of the discipline. Keep it up. You have really outshone others, and you have really brought about a great modelship before others. Congratulations to you and to your proud parents. Regular shiners again from 9th I, Kanak Shri and Chandranima Nath from 9J, Soumya Kumar Singh from 9th K, who have given 100% attendance throughout the session. Had it been scorching heat or freezing cold, or it has been thunder and shower, but nothing could stop you to come to your school campus and give us all smiles. Keep up the good work. Congratulations to all of you and to your proud parents also. And children who have scored 100% marks in various subjects, 10% marks in the college, in the school section, Adya in computer science, Manpreet Singh in maths and computers, Rishabh Saxena 9th S in chemistry, biology and computers. Congratulations. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Arindam Chaturvedi from class 11th A getting 100% marks. Sanvika from 11th A getting 100% marks in physical education. Congratulations to both of you. Keep up the good work. It's 10% marks again by Bhumi Moria from 11th B, biotech section. Another student from 11th B, Ansh Kumar. Congratulations once again. Keep up the good work. Huge congratulations to your parents as well. Aisha Khurshid from 11C, Molly Tiwari from 11D getting 100% marks in physical education. Congratulations to both of you. Keep up the good work. Ujjwal Singh in computer science from 11th F, Suryansh Kushwaha from 11th F, computer science, getting 100% marks. Congratulations. It's a big deal. It's a significant achievement. Getting 100% marks in class 11th. Congratulations.
बहुत अच्छे बच्चों.
Vinayak from 11th F, Anjali Sharma from 11th F, getting full marks in computer science and physical education respectively. Congratulations once again to you and to your proud parents also. Amay Singh getting 100% marks in physics from 11th F. This is again a very significant achievement. A complicated subject like physics getting 100% marks is no child's play. Congratulations, Amay Singh, and to your parents also. So that was the honoring of the students who have been excelling in co-curricular activities. Thank you, IT Wing, for this wonderful presentation. Now I'd like to invite Shruti to introduce you the upcoming video on socially useful productive work, SUPW. Over to Shruti.
Thank you so much, sir. Keeping students active while constantly working from home can be certainly tiring. SUPW finds a way to make students not only excel and pursue their talents, but also to make them much more relaxed and bubbling with positive energy. Even during COVID-19, students and teachers of CMS are taking diligent efforts to take care of the students, be it online classes or SUPW activities. The vocational education of CMS imparts artifacts, stupendous paintings, and phenomenal hobbies. SUPW is an innovation which explores that some see art and ask why, some make art and ask why not. I would like to take the honor and privilege to present in front of you a video showcasing the efforts of students in the fields of SUPW.
Mama ba, mama da mama ga re ga sa re. Mama ba, mama da mama ga re ga sa re. दो रंगों में रंगी है, दो रूप में ढली, ऐसी है जिंदगी। तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मायूसी भी है थोड़ी, अरमान भी कहीं, ऐसी है जिंदगी सबकी। गहरे अंधेरों में भी पल पल चमकते हैं जुगनू से जो अरमान है वो तेरे जुगनू 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 जैसे जुगनू जैसे नींदों के देश में है सपनों का एक नगर, जहाँ है डगर डगर।
I am preparing a mandala art. Once said, do anything but let it produce joy. I've been very passionate about painting since I was a little kid. This lockdown is a great chance for me to enhance my skills. These are some of the paintings I made earlier before the quarantine, and the ones I made during, you just saw them. Hope you like them. Thank you.
Cultivated the hobby of painting and art in this lockdown, and I'm going to show you some of it.
तू माने चाहे ना माने तू, दिल है अगर तो है आरज़ू। आँखों के प्याले खाली नहीं, कोई तमन्ना होगी कहीं। गहरे अंधेरों में भी पल पल चमकते हैं जुगनू से जो अरमान है वो तेरे जुगनू 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 जैसे जुगनू जैसे अरमान, जुगनू 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 जैसे जुगनू जैसे
So that was a very wonderful slide presentation on SUPW. Well, ladies and gentlemen, things would be incomplete without the blessings of our most honorable founder manager, sir, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi. I take this privilege to invite Dr. Jagdish Gandhi to come and bless us with his golden words.
छोटा सा बेबी घर में कितने काम होते हैं, मेरे पास सारी फैसिलिटी, मुझे बनाना सब मिल जाता है, केवल एक सब्जी बनाती हूँ, पास में बहुत मजा आता है, कुछ नहीं करती मैं पूरा दिन, और ऐसे मैंने वॉक करते जाना, कोई मतलब नहीं है, एक ही साथ नहीं।
Ladies and gentlemen, our most respected sir, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi is here, will be blessing us with his golden words. Over to sir.
Most respected sir, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi sir, if you could kindly bless our teachers, our students and our parents. Respected sir. Yes, I can see sir is there. Sir is very much there. I can see. I just gave a call to sir and I'll request him. Busy? Yes, respected sir. अब बेटा सर को ज्वाइन करवाओ, सर को बोलना है। That was indeed a wonderful evening today, and I request you, sir. Sir, if you want to speak now, most respected sir, if you could kindly bless the children.
Yes.
Yes, sir. If you could kindly bless the children, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you now. We can hear you, sir.
It was a wonderful function. I have seen the whole function of honoring of the mothers and of the most talented children, most wonderful children, and it was such a wonderful function. The children's programs were amazing, amazingly good, and I congratulate each one of them for presenting their programs so well. The children also spoke very well. So I congratulate the children, respected teachers, for the wonderful achievement of your children. They have achieved great heights in every field, and it is all under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Vinita Kamran. I congratulate Dr. Vinita Kamran for the most dynamic leadership, because of which the Kanpur Road branch is making progress by leaps and bounds, and the children are shining in life in great measure. So any words of praise for Dr. Kamran will be utterly insufficient. I congratulate Dr. Vinita Kamran and all the respected teachers and the children for this wonderful. I can also see the Vice Principal, Shipra Bajpayee, is also here. So I congratulate her for joining as a Vice Principal. And Dr. Kamran has appointed her as a Vice Principal. That is, she is very capable person. So I congratulate Shipra Bajpayee, and I congratulate Dr. Kamran for appointing her. She is the most wonderful person, very hard-working person, very sincere person. So God bless you and congratulations. You have wonderful staff like Madan, like Yadav and Manoj, and so many wonderful teachers you have with you. So you are very lucky lady to have got such a good staff with you who are so much dedicated, and because of which the results of Kanpur are most outstanding in the country. Congratulate you and your respected teachers and your very, very respected and progressive children of Kanpur. God bless you and thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your kind words. It has been really a shower of blessing on us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Jai Jagat, sir, and thank you very much, sir.
Right, sir.
Over to Mr. Madan. Over to Mr. Madan.
Right, ma'am. Well, this is the time for me to invite our most respected Vice Principal, ma'am, Mrs. Shipra Vajpayee, to please propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Madan, sir. Today evening, a very, very good evening and Jai Jagat to all of you. I take the proud privilege to convey my heartiest gratitude to the most wonderful mothers whose unconditional love and care mean a lot to us. It is you who give foundation to the dreams of your children and enable them to grow as independent human beings. And at the same time, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire team of CMS who have made this program a success. The most honorable founder manager, sir, Dr. Gandhi, we are really very, very lucky to work under your umbrella. Our respected founder director, Dr. Bharti Gandhi, COO, Mrs. Geeta Gandhi, and our very, very own dynamic principal, the leader of leaders, Dr. Mrs. Vinita Kamran. Not to forget the contribution of the dynamic and dedicated in charge, Mrs. Archana Peters, the sub-in-charge, Mrs. Shashikanti, the coordinator, the support of the cultural team led by Anil Dhami sir and Mrs. Sumita Srivastav. It was really a wonderful event which you people have brought together. Then the comparers of the day, Mr. Madan, and under Mr. Madan, the wonderful two children, Suhani and Shruti. They've really made us proud. They are lucid speakers. They were so expressive. The IT department, and who has really extended the wholehearted support in bringing out this program a success. And Mr. Bhanu, and under Mr. Bhanu, Pragya, Shashwat, they really did deserve a lot of credit. And not to forget our very, very own children, our most loving children, our soul of the school. We are missing you, children, and we are really, really very grateful, very happy to see your motivational talks by Manisha, by Bhumi, Anand Krishna Mishra, Shreyashi Gupta, Manpreet, Yashvardhan, and their mothers coming up and applauding for us. Really, we are really very, very thankful to all these parents who always keep encouraging us to go miles and miles and miles to go before we sleep, right? We are working for you, children. We are working for you, parents, and we want to make you you can say, the star of our country. Thank you, dear children. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Mrs. Chipra. Thank you so much. Ma'am, you have thanked everyone. I will be failing in my duty if I don't thank you. First of all, I want to thank you for being such a wonderful ISC and ICSE in charge for many, many years. We owe this result to you and to your great team. We really owe this result to you. And now you have been elevated to the position of the vice principal. I really want to thank you for your wholehearted support. You're always by my side.
Thank you so much.
You're always helping me out. So heartiest congratulations for being elevated to the principal, to the post of the vice principal of CMS Kanpur Road. Heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you
and
so much.
heartiest congratulations to you for all your support. I also want to thank Mrs. Shakuntala Singh, who is the proctor in the senior section. In the whole school, she's the proctor. I want to thank Mrs. Shakuntala Singh, always being by my side and helping in whatever conditions we are working, like in these COVID conditions, I will be failing in my duty, ma'am, if I do not thank you. Heartiest, my heartfelt thanks to you. Heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Archana Palpita, ma'am. She is now the ISC and ICSE in charge, and side by side, she was that time the coordinator of class 11th. So, ma'am, we owe this result to you also, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors and as ISC and ICSE charge, because this is the position which always keeps the crown and the head of the school intact. So I want to congratulate you and give you my best wishes. I want to thank Mrs. Shashikanti ma'am, the sub-in-charge, the very dedicated, the very hard-working sub-in-charge. She is always a silent dynamo and a wonderful person. To Mrs. Madhumita Mitra ma'am, she has got a great flair for writing. I want to thank all our heads of the departments. Mr. Yadav, to start with, head of the physics department, Mr. Manoj Saxena, head of the bio department, Mr. Ajay Madan, head of the chemistry department, and sir, we want to thank you for this most wonderful comparing. You are always the life of any event, and you make online also you make.
Thank you, Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You make such a big event, the online event also.
Thank you so
I'm very
much.
grateful to Mrs. Archana Palpita again for being the head of the English department, Mr. Sanjeev Roy for head of the computer department, Mrs. S. Singh for being the head of the Hindi department, Mr. Vinay Singh for the PA department, Mr. Devendra Singh for head of the history department, Ms. Mudita head of the psychology department, Mrs. Shashikanti head of the geography department, and last but not the least, Mr. S. Gupta for head of the maths department. And to all the teachers, to each and every one teachers, because you are the one who make this great team. You are the one who have made this result wonderful. And want to thank each and every child also, because children have also worked very hard and the parents have also worked very hard. For today's function, I want to thank you once again, and to Mr. Anil Dhami, to Mrs. Sumita Bhadoria. They are a great team. They are a wonderful team and a very capable team. Wherever we put them, they make it a big success. So for today's success, we owe you a lot, Mr. Dhami and Mrs. Sumita Bhadoria, and then to Mr. Bhanu for leading the IT team. Your IT team has done wonders in the last few days. Always you have been working very hard. You have been working day in out, and during the lockdown, you have even worked for almost 18 to 20 hours. Even if we rung you, the teachers have rung you up at 2 o'clock at night, you have found a way. So I have a hearty congratulations and a big gratitude to you. Thanks to the dance teachers also. They have also worked hard. And thanks to all the dear students, to all our little jugnus, to all the wonderful lights. You are our jugnus. You are the light who can spread light even during darkness. As Shipra ma'am also told you, we miss you. You are the light of our heart. You are the light of soul. You are the light of your parents. And the future, everything depends upon you. You should make things so good, so wonderful, that in the coming generation, there should be no pandemic at all. There should be no pandemic for the coming generations. You will become such good entrepreneurs, scientists, doctors, engineers, and people who save the humanity. So you will become so good. You are our main hope for the future. And lastly, but not the least, I want to thank all the parents. All the parents I want to thank. The school is a big, place, a great temple of learning, where parents, teachers are always together, and we always bring out the best into our students, because children are like God. Children are made in, God has made children in his own image. So they are like God. So we bring the best out of the students. So all the best, heartiest congratulations, excellent result, and heartiest congratulations for today, the success of the function also, because was something which gave us great satisfaction today to honor our the most respected mothers. Thank you very much. Thanks to Gandhi sir, he watched the function throughout. He was there. He works for almost 20 hours a day. So much of gratitude to Gandhi sir. Throughout, he watches each and every function, whether online, whether offline. So he is a great man, and it is a life cherished dream and life cherished desire to work under him for this whole lifetime. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, our most respected ma'am, for your each and every kind word. It has given us double impetus. We have been doubly rejuvenated, and you are shaping each one of us and all the students to make better choices for tomorrow. Thank you so much. And
Thank you, ma'am.
The
Thank you,
emboldening
ma'am. Thank you very much.
Yes, with the emboldening statement of Dr. Kamran when she said the schooling has gone beyond the horizon. It is 24/7 because the boundaries have been broken down, walls have been broken down. So it's a great time, great evening. And before that, I would like all of you to please stand at your places for the national anthem. College, get ready for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you one and all for joining us, and wish you a great and a blessed evening. Spend time with your family.
Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you, Mr. Madan. Thank you so much. A very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.